What is up, guys? Ria's here. And today I will be doing a productive day in the life. It's not starting very productive. It's like 1 o'clock in the afternoon. But you know, we have plenty of hours to start. So I start off by making my bed, fixing the sheets, organizing the pillows, and putting the comforter back on the bed. Like, I feel like a room is not complete without a fixed bed. It just pulls the room together and makes it look more clean. Like, you could barely notice the dirt on my floor. Anyway, after I finish fixing my bed, I actually go over and start like cleaning the floor after I move the camera, of course, because you know you gotta see everything because it was pretty bad. So I pick up all my dirty clothes off the floor and I move it to the laundry basket. Then I organize my suitcase because I'm at my grandma's house and I need a suitcase because I don't live here. Then I get my computer off the floor and put it on the bed, even though it shouldn't be on the floor in the first place. But no one comes in my room, so I'm not worried about anybody stepping on it. And then I stuff a couple of stuff in my purse and I see a plastic bag where I pull out these random books and use the bag to put trash in it, which was pretty resourceful because, like, you know, recycling. But anyway, then I somewhat organized the top of my dresser before putting my face stuff back in my suitcase and cleaning off the floor a little bit. I mean, it's already looking better. Like, you can see the actual floor now. I come back, I get my purses off the floor and I move them somewhere. And then I finish up by taking out the trash. I swear every time I come on here, I need to do something to my head.
Wrong at all, baby. I say that we falling off, baby. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting it. In your heart, you keep trying. If the truth is not hiding, that's just the way we are. But can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just show me back. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Times I don't want you around. You do something to make me smile. And it's hard for me to try to stop this feeling. Yeah, we could just walk away. Yeah, we could just stay away. The things I love about you, I can't change. No, 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 no. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying.
My next step of being productive is to wash all the dishes because honestly I couldn't eat without getting the dishes at least somewhat clean. I need to just straighten up the kitchen a little bit.
And the truth we don't hide, that's just the way we are. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be everybody else, it would just all be bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Like that. If it was you, it won't be like that. But I love it when you do like that. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say you love me when it's like that. If it was you, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just all be mad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that.
I feel like a productive day leads to productive food. I mean, I don't really got that much productive food, but we gonna start with strawberries and we gonna go on from there. You know, it's a step in the right direction.
Stay on sale, y'all saying they lingerie on that Chardonnay, scoring touchdowns on your runway. I'm Texas forever like boy, man, I'm Rambo in the O. I'm billionaire rich like John Jack, I'm Camo in the O. These thoughts can't lock me nowadays. You wish I was your pound cake. Boy, you know I look good at full. Wish I was your baby mom. Want me to come around and give you good karma, but no. We escalate up in this bitch like elevators. Of course, sometimes shit go down when it's $1 billion on an elevator. Of course, sometimes shit go down when it's $1 billion on an elevator. Goddamn, goddamn, goddamn. Mama taught me good home training. My daddy taught me how to love my haters. My sister told me I should speak my mind. My man made me feel so goddamn fine. Wake up, housed up, round in it, lost and on that. This diamond, my diamond, this rock, my rock. I woke up like this. I woke up like this. We flawless, ladies. Tell them I woke up like this. I woke up like this. We flawless, ladies. Tell them say I look so good tonight. Goddamn, goddamn, say I look so good tonight. Goddamn, goddamn, goddamn. I wake up looking this good. And I wouldn't change it if I could. If I could. And you can say what you want.
Not gonna lie, it looks pretty healthy to me.
I'm the shit. 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 I want everyone to feel.
I finished my makeup and actually put on some presentable clothes. I didn't record that, but anyway, next step of a productive day is obviously some productive tea, you know. So we're gonna make some tea and yeah, get that on.
Like this tonight.
The peach one is my favorite out of this whole entire thing. I think there's like it don't have much flavor, so I used 2, and luckily there's literally only two left.
Look so good tonight. Goddamn, goddamn, say yeah. Look so good tonight. Goddamn, goddamn.
While the tea is on the I mean, while the water is on the stove, I want to go outside for a bit. Like any productive day, you really need to get some sunlight. So
What I think about you,
it's really pretty out here. We're gonna go on a short walk, very short walk, because I have to turn back around and go back in the house so I won't burn it down. I really hope that my skirt is long enough in the back, because I feel like I got it on backwards. Anyway, I'm not gonna play with this skirt right now. I basically came out here. I saw this really pretty butterfly earlier. Like, it was so cute. It was black at the top and like blue at the bottom, and it was so close to me. I don't need the water to be like boiling, cause like who drinking that? But anyway.
I want this forever. I swear I could spend whatever on it. She hold me down every time I hit up. When I get right, I promise that we gon' live it up. She made me beg for it till she give it up. And I say the same.
I swear, I think outside getting sick of me. I just be in and out of the house, like for real. But this time, I'm walking all the way freaking down the street, cause I really want to show. I want to show everybody the freaking field that's down there. Like, it's so pretty if you get at it at the right angle. And I probably should have fixed my skirt, cause it likes to.
And you don't even have to ask twice. You can have
It doesn't matter. But anyway. Look at these things. It kind of look like a hot dog on a stick. Okay, I think the walk took me like 10 minutes. But hold on. Just look at this empty field. Like, it looks really pretty to me. I think tall, like you could, like, it's really not tall at all, but at the same time, I don't like snakes. Ooh. Almost died. Anyway, I'm gonna turn around and we're gonna walk back, and if I get the courage, I might actually film there. Okay. So I never actually filmed an outro to the video, so this is me saying bye. You didn't see me walking back home because honestly I forgot. Like, as soon as I turned around, I was doing something else, and then boom, it slipped my mind. So Rhea Mac out. Bye.